Navigating change and uncertainty. Naku, hindi ko na kailangan sabihin to sa inyo. You have heard many times, you have seen in the internet, you have seen in YouTube, but today I will just tell you, I will just discuss what I've done wrong and what I've done right in my company. Whether you like it or not, will be future business leaders. Correct? So congratulations for having this kind of team. Palakpakan niyo yung mga sarili niyo. I'm a graduate of Perpetual Master's Degree 2007. So I graduated here 2007 ng Master's Degree. Ano ba yung Master's Degree in Business? So MBA, no, Master's in Business Administration. Right now, you are in the College of Business Administration and Accountancy, correct? Okay. I'll make it very fast, sweet, and sexy, but at the same time, I'll make it a point that you're gonna bring something home for you. Meron din akong marketing firm. Sino yung marketing? Taas ang kamay? Asan ang marketing? Hep hep! I eat marketing. I am married to marketing. I am eating marketing. I sleep with marketing. I engage with marketing. And I'm married to marketing. Okay? So you should be proud that you have a marketing course. Okay? Nasaan yung marketing? Parang overwhelmed tayo ng accountancy. Sige, mamaya. Okay? Sige. So ako rin po, now just to brief overview, Go Negosyo. No? Yung Go Negosyo po ay nagtuturo sa mga future business leaders and sa gustong magsimula ng negosyo. Okay? So if you want to start a business, we can coach you. I've coached maybe around 250 to 300 individuals like you. Okay? Malinaw, malinaw. Kita? Okay. Sayang, no? Busy. Okay? So this topic will touch on the following. Whoever made this particular topic, congratulations sa mga nag-organize nito. Kasi yung binigay po nilang topic for presentation is from parang pang mini MBA na. Tingnan nyo naman, navigating uncertainty, navigating change, tapos meron pang tools and frameworks, strategic decisions, problem-solving techniques, critical thinking skills, risk assessment, team involvement, and decision-making process. So this is basically what you will learn in mini MBA. Diba? So tapos, i-deliver natin in 40 minutes. Correct? So I'll try my best, Rico. Huh? I'll try my best. So, because of so many companies, we're just going to focus on distribution, accounting service, and training and consultancy. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Hep hep? Okay. Marketing. Sino marketing? Marketing. Yung nakabulong cup. Halika. Saglit. Halika na, huwag ka mahiya. Marketing eh. Marketing. Meron pang isang lalaki doon nagtaas ng kamay. Sino yun? Okay, halika. What do you expect from 45-minute talk?
Yung sa strategic management po, I'm expecting na, since we have the software strategic management, we want to, since MBA na po kayo, we want to compare kung ano yung differences na learnings from the masteral and this course.
Okay, wow. Very good. Palakpakan niyo si Erica. Very good. So that's your expectation from the marketing point of view. Can I have an accounting student? Itaas ang bandera. Accounting student? Name? Rizal.
I'm expecting po na matutuloy yung mga natutunan ginagawa pa sa accounting experience, like mga taxes and
Okay, we'll try my best to deliver that. I'll try my best to deliver that. Okay? So I expect that everybody should participate. No? You can participate by asking questions, or you can just participate by listening, because this is not something that you have every day. No? We are practitioners. Okay? We used to be students. No? I'm not good student. Okay? I am not good student. But I firmly believe that I'm a good businessman. As a matter of fact, I'm running 5 small businesses today. And walang pagkakaiba sa atin. You can be future business leaders, at the same time, you can be entrepreneurs someday. Just believe in that. Okay? Next. So navigating change and uncertainty. The biggest obstacle in our lives is the barriers that our minds create. Okay? So if you feel, you say, or you think that you cannot do it, you can never do it. But if you firmly believe that I will pass this accounting subject, of course, next year I will be graduating, you will. Okay? Next. There is nothing certain but the uncertain. So all you have to do, if it's uncertain, you just have to embrace. You just have to embrace change. You have to embrace the future. No? Next. When nothing is sure, everything is possible. You will never know if you're going to be marrying your boyfriend today. You will never even know if you're going to marry your girlfriend. Okay? So you have to, kailangan binubuhusan ng panahon. Okay? Next. So just to give you a brief overview, I'm pretty sure alam nyo na to. Everybody knows the business structure, right? Sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, OPC. Kailan nagkaroon ng OPC ang Pilipinas? Sa mga accountant? We don't have OPC before. Kailan? Accountant, yung matapang. Kaya niyo yan. Alam niyo na to eh. Napag-aralan niyo na to. Naituro na to. Okay. So why entrepreneurship is hard? Because if you think you know, you don't. Business only has 2 functions. Because we are in marketing, I'll try to highlight this. Number 1 is innovations. No? Sasagot kayo ha, sasagot. Si ma'am. Alam niyo po ito, ma'am. Tatanungin natin si ma'am. Alam niyo po yan, yung nasa harap. Oh, disket, di ba? Sinong nakaabot ng disket? Wala. Floppy disk? Wala. Naabutan niyo niya yung flash disk. Tapos, these are just some innovations. Dropbox, Drive, and now we have cloud. Next. Papakilala ko sa inyo. Hulaan niyo ha. Sumagot, sumigaw. Sino to? Very good, students. Yan ang gusto ko. Okay, ganyan. Okay. Next, sino to? Ano ba yan? Sino to? Oh, may narinig ako doon. Sino to? Alexa, si Alexa. Okay, so sino to? Oh my God. Meron bang digital marketing subject? Digital marketing subject, meron? Ma'am, meron? Oh, meron daw. Okay, so this is chatbot, si chatbot. Okay? See, these are part of innovations, and innovations will always be part of businesses. Whether you like it or not, innovations are here to stay. And innovations should not be new. Okay? Hindi lahat ng bago, innovation ang tawag. No? Kasi may mga luma na pwede nyong i-innovate, merong mga luma na pwedeng i-apply ngayon. What works today may not work tomorrow, but what works yesterday might work again today or tomorrow. Okay, next. So the second one is marketing. Sino po ito? Sige, dahil may accounting tayo. Sino to sa mga accountant? The father of accounting and bookkeeping. Sino to? Ha? Very good. This is Mr. Luca Pascioli. Very good. Ang galing, galing. O sige, tanungin naman natin ang marketing. Sino to? Sa tingin ko, lahat ng marketing students dapat kilala ito.